How to create account in Soundation. First of all, go to your web browser and type www.soundation.com. Then press enter. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner and click on the sign up button. Now it will ask you to choose the plan. Just scroll down to the bottom and you will see start with the free plan. Click on it. This will take you to the registration page. Next, you will see options to sign up using Google, Facebook or your email address. If you want a quick setup, choosing Google or Facebook is the fastest. But if you prefer using an email, enter your email address, then create a password that you will remember. Make sure your password is secure. After filling out the details, check the box to agree to Soundation's terms and privacy policy. Then, click the continue button. You might be asked to confirm your email, so check your inbox and click the confirmation link sent by Soundation to activate your account. Once your email is verified, your account will be ready. You can now log in and start using Soundation to make music directly on your browser. And that's it. Now you know how to create an account in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.